I've heard for years that microwave popcorn is toxic. But here's the thing, that's mostly outdated. You see, older bags had diacetyl flavoring and questionable linings. But most major brands removed those years ago. Modern microwave popcorn is generally safe, though you should still check labels and avoid burning it. Now, does that mean all microwave popcorn is healthy? Not quite. It can actually be a smart snack if you choose wisely. Look for lower sodium and saturated fat options. Watch your portions, and remember that burnt popcorn forms acrylamide. For the healthiest choice, go for air-popped or lightly seasoned varieties. For more, click the link below and subscribe for more health tips from Health Digest.